It will never be perfect. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So alright, we've been doing a lot of work on the channel during the live streams. And this kind of I've been tiptoeing around this for a while. And I'm working here, and we're just starting. Going through, trying to get some slides around to do some LinkedIn videos. So I'm trying to share this so to normalize to people that see people on the internet and go, oh, they got it all figured out. No, we do not. Do not think that I have this all figured out. This is probably the most challenging things that I've done in my life yet. But that's how you grow. So what I really want to talk about is, actually had to look it up, but the neurological similarities between perfection and procrastination, it's exactly the same. So if you're here watching these videos, you're very similar to me. So I'm going to pull back the curtain and just share this with you. It will never be perfect. You just have to start. And I promise you, the starting is, it's not the being done. It's under the bucket of analysis paralysis, where you just end up and you're just reviewing over and over and over again, and you're just trying to get there. It will never be perfect enough for you. You just want it good enough. So just start. And I promise you, once you start, literally, I just sat here and in the middle of this live stream, and I started going through these ideas, and I'm talking out loud, and I'm thinking out loud, and I'm just starting to write these ideas down, and I'm building these into these buckets. So you're kind of getting a snapshot of what some LinkedIn videos are going to look like here really soon. But do not think you're going to create something that you're going to think is perfect. You need to get over that. So the two things you're going to fight. So try to correct the things that you can control. You can control when you start something. It's just so hard. Don't think that I'm saying, oh, just start. I understand the amount of energy, the emotional energy to sit down and start something that you want to do, but you just don't know what it's going to look like. But I promise, once you start, it'll take shape. It's like a lump of clay. You're like, I know there's something here, but I don't know what it's going to end up doing. Just start messing with it. Just start changing it. Literally, just start moving it around, and it will start to take form, and you will start to come out in this, whatever this thing that you want to start. And then when you get towards the end, after you've been messing with this a little bit, you're going to have to stop at some point. Where is it going to be good enough? Is it good enough? So right now, I probably have maybe 2 or 3 videos here. Is it perfect? No. Now, am I going to have to make myself record these things? Absolutely. And I'm going to find all sorts of excuses. I'm going to say I can't get the PowerPoint right. This doesn't look that great. Oh, wait, am I going to get judged on LinkedIn? It's going to make me not get a job. Well, I don't have any videos on LinkedIn. So this is where the logic and the emotion comes in. So let me just share all of this. So I'm worried about posting a video on LinkedIn that then it will deter a future employer. Well, I'm not getting any interviews anyway. So how am I going to make it worse? So there we go. Just real quick video today. Just want to share you're not alone during this, and to really kind of give you insight of an old guy who's been dealing with these neurological things. But the neurological similarities, neurologically synonymous of perfectionism and procrastination. So don't think that you're procrastinating, you're battling your perfectionism. And that's the real problem. If you look at that, you cannot change a problem that it doesn't exist. So people try to fix making themselves do something, and they're attacking the wrong problem. But if you attack the perfectionism, you're going to get a lot further, and you're going to cut yourself some slack. You're going to get started, and then also what's going to happen is you're going to get better at getting started, and it's going to get easier. So there we go, guys. So there we go, everyone. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. There is a Discord link down below. Make sure you're clicking on that so you're not by yourself. We're going through this together. You can ask questions. You can post things you're working on. Anything that we can help you with. Is it programming? Is it data? Is it engineering? However, whatever question, whatever support you need, this channel, this community is built so you're not going through this by yourself. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.